Well, good evening, friends. I am Rajiv. Today, I would like to discuss the importance of the teachers in our life. The 55th September is being commemorated as the Teachers' Day on the love and affections and memories of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So, friends, though it's not 5th, it's 7th, due to professional work engagement, I could not come live on that day. So today I would like to discuss the importance of the teachers in our life, and I have got so many brilliant teachers in my life, and they have changed the complete shape and sphere of my life. So I would like to definitely take the name of the teachers from top to bottom and how they have inspired and motivated in my life in different stages, and how the teachers are important in different parts of our life, not only in building up our characters but also in the knowledge also. So it's a all-round development and it's a all-round improvement we get through the teachers' help in the different stages of the life, from childhood to the adolescent to youth and to the professional life also. From the job life also we get the teachers in terms of our boss, in terms of our superiors, because teacher is such a person or such a quality and such a human being which becomes a philosophical guide or the psychological doctor, mentor, guide, teacher, friend, philosopher, torchbearer, everything for us. Because in our life we need a lot of guidelines, lot of guidance, motivations, inspiration in each and every stages of our life, and it's not always possible for our parents or some immediate relatives to take care of us, but we come across such beautiful teachers in our life in every stage. It's really important and uh, very great, excellent, which built up our life not only in job career but from everywhere. So now Chandrabhanu sir has given a talk, nice one on Happy Teachers Day. Yes, of course, sir. On Teachers Day, I was actually busy on the professional engagement, so I came reached at 9:30 around PM, so I could not get that time. So today I selected the topic. Today I would like to discuss from top to bottom of my teachers, those who have played a crucial role in my life. They have been instrumental in completely changing the life, and today where I am, it's only for the teachers, my parents and all the superiors. They have played a key role in my life in shaping and building up my career and my life. So friends, I would like to have discussions from top, from my childhood school days to the present scenario also, how teachers are very much important and how they crucial in building and shaping our future. And teachers are perhaps the life god for us, because students are very much influenced and motivated to reach the unreachable with the help of the teachers, with the help of the mentor and guide, because mere information in the book is not as much important as the guidance and motivations for shaping the people. And basically emotional, mental balance, social emotional intelligence balance is very much important. Sometimes only informations or technique and strategy in teaching is not much important. Then the guidance and the understanding, the emotional intelligence and background of a student, what is his mental balance, so that's important. And understanding his emotion, understanding his mind is very much important than just giving strategy, shortcut tips or other things, or just information is not like that. If a student starts liking a teacher on a particular subject, the student starts doing excellent in that particular subject, because he not only loves the teacher, he loves the subject. So it's important how important personality, how teachers are important, how they come our life and they actually completely change the total thought process and completely way of living, way of talking and culture, way of personal lifestyle, everything gets influenced and gets changed. That's important. These some teachers are so much important in our life. It's not so much some teachers, but every teacher is important in every student's life. But sometimes what happens, we like some people, we don't like some people. We like some teachers, those who understand our emotions properly. Despite our mistake, despite our failure, despite scoring less in the subject, still some teachers give importance to certain students. They don't let the student get humiliated or let them down in the difficulty times also. And teacher helps in each and every ups and downs, not only education but financially, mentally, emotionally, in all the aspects, spheres of the life. So these teachers are very important because they direct us, they guides us, and they helps us to reach the unreachable, which we desire, which we feel is difficult to achieve, but it becomes achievable. It becomes very much clear for us because certain guidance, motivations, and proper uh, encouragement, it's important. Some teachers are like that. Whatever mistake you may do, that still they guide you with love and affection. They say, yes, you are doing good, just you need some improvement, and do like that. But some category people like that, they, despite understanding the background of the student, why he is so much emotional, why he is so much sentimental, without understanding everything, they start scolding or abusing or giving punishment like that. So it's the one way traffic, it's not the all solutions. So a teacher has to understand the complete sphere of a student, why he is behaving like this, what is the mistake, what is the problem of this person's. As we have watched everybody, Tara Zameen Par, the one of the finest movie I have watched, in that Amir Khan movie, Tara Zameen Par, a student is emotionally very much not strong, he is having so much problem, and that needs to be understood, that needs to be taken into considerations. And in that movie it was proved that the backbencher, the most scolded student did excellence with the proper guidance and motivations and effective help or understanding his emotional intelligence and understanding where is the mistake and guiding accordingly, and he did fantastic. So it's like that. So most of the times we get success or we do best in even in difficult subject, as we love that teacher and teacher loves us, and the chapter becomes easier. Even difficult chapter, difficult subjects become easier with the help of a lovable teacher who inspires, who motivates, and who guides us, and who loves us, basically who loves us, and who encourages us, and who gives a emotional touch, who gives a personal touch to us to get that uh, understanding and concept clarity. That's important. So friends, I would like to start my lifestyle, and definitely I would like to give a tribute to my teachers on today in this social media platform, because most of the times we fail to provide gratitude to the people because sometimes we feel shy or we don't get time, but at least we should remember and we should uh, at least express our gratitude to the people who have built up our life. So at the initial stage, I would like to start from my home itself. And during that childhood, I was very small and I was not able to, I was not learning everything properly. So that time I used to say that I need a teacher from Kolkata like that. So my parents sent me to my Masi's house, Mausi in Odia. So they built up my life from starting from ABCO, from starting everything. So my Mausi and Mausa, that they built up my life, my Parandra Mausa and Mausi, both they did excellent job in my life in teaching me the letters, the starting basic things, and I was not reading that time. I was very much naughty during that time. So I started my career there. So I would like to give thanks to them because they have done excellent job despite the poverty and despite the bad condition of the family. So they have given me food, they have given me dress, they have given me knowledge, everything. So though it's not easy to express always, because sometimes we feel the things which are treasured in our bottom of the heart, it remains on the particular uh, portions of the life. So that is the like that case. So I have not been able to express every time. So today I have got the time and mind to express about my mouse and mouse. They have done a great job, and today where I have. So if I think that 30 years back or 25, 27 years back. So during that time, if I had not come in the contact of them, so I could not have reached in this position. So after 30 years, even I will remember to throughout my life how they have played crucial role in my life, and they taught me, and they guided me, they treated me like their son, and I started my career from that. So it's my starting. Then I came to my schooling days. It was a Gurukul like culture in our village. One Udaipur school was there. So there I got a teacher like Hota sir. So we used to stay there from morning to night. So from it was like a Gurukul culture. So we have to go to the field, we have to sweep, we have to start reading, and we have to we start from the morning, and even at night also we used to stay in that school campus, and I used to share maximum time with my teacher, and Hata sir used to take me to different places, and all kind of, I can say, natural style of teaching. It was outstanding and beautiful. This kind of teacher is also uh, very much important in every student's life. He used to give punishment also, and he used to love to the people who used to read properly. So there was a great importance in his life, and we learned a lot. So from that, after that, again I reached to another school, TNME school, Lokanath ME schools, and Hadiguchi schools like that. So there also I got so many teachers, and the most important person was that Mr. Pratibha Sur in EP ME school, and TNME school, Pralokanath ME school. So there, that time I was really naughty, and I used to play cricket, and I used to do different kind of activities, and so during that time, due to only 7 marks, 230 was the cut-off to get 60% of the first division. So during that period of the time, I didn't get that. So just 223, 7 mark was left behind. So Pratibha sir told, and he used to teach English, and I had a special interest and special weakness to towards English. So just for 7 marks, I didn't get first division, because I used to do different kind of activities, playing and other things than study. So that if I start narrating that days, it will take more time. So that particular school days I will also narrate on some particular time. But that time Pratibha sir was excellent, and he used to love me, and I was really motivated. And from that seventh result, my life got changed. And when I came to Bholanath Vidyapito, Patsorisa, there where my father was the teacher. So that time I was really, I had neglected lot of basic fundamentals in math, English, all those things. So for that reasons, I had to take tuitions and extra coaching to manage all the basic fundamentals. So, but I had a determination that I will definitely cover up, and I will achieve the things. And during that time, what happens? The story was different in that high schools. So I think 3 to 4, Sudipto and Gopal and me. It's 3 sons of the 3 teachers in the same school. So there was a huge competition. So I had not first divisions, but they were having that first divisions, and they used to perform better. So during that time, and I started taking extra coaching, and started learning from different extra tuitions. So during that period, lot of stories and lot of experience and lot of teachers changed my life, and they played a very crucial role. So I must take the name one by one. So first of all, I would like to tell the name of the teacher, now Mr. Prasant Sau from school. He used to teach mathematics and science, and I used to get to personal teaching, coaching from him also. So during that time, he used to love me, and he used to really guide me a lot, and that's a part. So his sir was also very good, and after also completion of the study, he was in constant in touch, and he used to guide me whenever we met each other. Next factor is that one person came in my life, Mr. Jhareshwar sir Mahanti. So he once one day in a class, he was taking mathematics class. So he was a science and math teacher. So during that time, one day he told that write 5 lines about your headmaster. So who can write the exact one and exact qualification of your headmaster? So during that time, within 2 minutes, I completed that, and I saw to him. Then he appreciated me a lot. That yes, one student can exactly write the qualifications, and he can write 5 lines completely in English. So he appreciated, and he gave me a white chalk. So that time chalk and duster used to play a vital role in our life in shaping us. So that chalk I got, and I was very much happy, delighted that I got a chalk as a reward for writing that things. So it also encouraged me to improve my writing skill, and towards English also I got special attention. So during that time, again in history also, one of my teacher was there. Two teachers in fact came in history. No, one teacher, that Nilamani Jana, Nilamani sir. So I used to make special note for the history, and I used to write down everything with different color, red, green, black, and I used to make headlines. So I got special desire for history also. So in history also I used to get 70, 72 out of 75. That's quite interesting. So I used to develop the knowledge in basically literature parts, and science math was the weakness I had. But despite that also I improved good learning in mathematics, and in mathematics there are so many teachers, and basically I could say one of my teacher was there, Vishnupada Jana. So I was taking the personal tuitions from him. So he used to solve one by one every problem in the mathematics. One by one, every problem used to be solved, and we used to have practice with my friends Sanjoy, Funny, Al. These are my group mate during that time. So he did clarified me a lot in mathematics, and I had the dislike towards mathematics was turned into likeness, and I got very good marks. So Vishnupada sir played a very good role in improving my mathematics, and I did excellent job, because most of the times one of my teacher, I don't want to take the name because he's a teacher, but he used to always criticize me. He was not in a positions to encourage. His style was like that, whatever anyway. So one day there was a test in class 10th. So out of 75 in mathematics, basically algebra, MTA, MTG, like that. So in that one I got 73 out of 75. So when my father approached him that how he is doing, and he used to criticize that he is not doing well, but that day he was very much happy. Yes, he has done that, and we had a lot of topper in our class. So I was not a topper, but I scored highest mark on that day. I could not remember. So Prasant sir and my father, everybody was happy, and I conveyed this to Vishnupada sir also for his guidance, and for solving each and every problem. So, and he was not only a teacher, Vishnupada sir was my guide friend, and we used to discuss a lot of things regarding personal life and emotion. He has guided me. And here the most important crucial part comes in English. Today I am speaking and writing, having grammatical skill, all those things. So I would like to narrate, and I would like to definitely tell the name of that person, Mr. Hare Krishna Das, my school teacher. He was not in school, but he was teaching privately. He was teaching specially mathematics to me, English to me. So I learnt all the grammars and vocabs, everything from him, and the interest I developed towards that particular subject with his way of, and very good style of teaching. What a teaching, mind-blowing teaching, and all the difficult grammars and all the difficult subjects in English he used to teach in such a way that it becomes very easier for me, and I could give always, I used to give much more importance on that particular subject for Hare Krishna sir, because he was teaching so smoothly, so intelligently, and that's good for every each and every student. So I was really inspired and motivated to improve more importance towards that particular subject due to the help, and due to the love and affections, guidance, and unique way of teaching by the Hare Krishna sir. So he is a great teacher, and I could remember, and really I remember, I have the memory for him. I have a lot of respect towards him, and he is still in my heart, and I could not forget him. Though I didn't have the time to meet him since a long time, but definitely for this time, if I go to my village, I will definitely visit him. Next is that factor is that our Sanskrit teacher, Mr. Pandit sir. So he has also a great role in my life. So like 15 to 20 kilometers distance from my home, his home was there. So I used to take cycle from my home on holidays, Saturday, Sundays like that. So I used to reach to his home. So there he used to teach me specially Sanskrit, and that Sanskrit also played a very vital role in my life. So in 10th class, math was, there was certain problem. There was also story I don't want to narrate here. So after completion of the exam, when I saw him, that he told that yes, it might be 83 out of 100, uh, but it was a outstanding and surprising result when it came. So it was 95 out of 100 when the mark came, and my father was very happy, and sir was also happy because I became again topper in Sanskrit. So 95 out of 100. So that also I would like to give my tribute and gratitude to Pandit sir for his guidance and basically his inspiration and motivation. I got 95 out of 100. That's also important for that sir. And also we had a very dynamic teacher, our Santosh Patra headmaster, and though there was certain conflict and problem during that time, but he was the best teacher in the state and district also in English. So whatever classes we have got, that's good, but we could not get entire classes from him because due to that time certain issues. So he was also a nice teacher. So all the entire setup on entire teachers were very good during that time, and we had one teacher, Mr. Bijoy sir was also very good teacher. He used to teach English also in the class, so I was also impressed and inspired by him. So he used to love a lot of time during that time also. So total 10th, and I beg pardon for any teachers I have left. And yes, one sir was Radhasan Das sir, and my father was also there. So everybody has played a key role in my life, and I got during that time I got 73%, so which was really beyond my expectations, and it was I was desiring that if this mark 550 out of 750 if I score, that's going to be good. So every time I used to dream to for that, but there was shortage of the mark when I used to calculate how I will reach that magical figure. But that Sanskrit and history that managed me to reach that, because in mathematics it was bad, and there was also certain reasons. So it was 550 exactly when I got the information on the date of result. It was 550, but I was desiring. That's great. So I again went to FM Junior College. So there also I got a lot of setbacks, lot of difficulties, and lot of emotional setback because I was away from home, and I used to stay in the mess. So there was a lot of emotional problems, lot of issues because I had not the parents with me during that time. But I got lot of teachers, those who inspired me a lot. So first of all, I would like to tell that during that time I got Subrata Debangana madam, who used to teach us English. So still now I have remembered him, and also I wished him on 5th also at 10th. She also received my call. So it was a nice memory that she is still in my life, and she will be till the end of my life, Subrata Devangana. So she has also scolded me for my mistake, and she has also guided me, and she has played a very vital role. During my MBA, I was not getting education loan, so he played a key role, understanding my need and understanding that I have good track record, I have good qualifications, I have good percentage. Despite that, I was not getting, but he did a great job, miracle job. So during that time in State Bank Joleshwar branch, he intimated to that branch manager, Mr. Ghanashyam Naik. He has also played key role. So he did, and he gave the loan as per the informations by Subrata Devangana madam. So I got my MBA degree due to madam help, and also during MBA time there was 25,000 something, some shortage of money was there for interest, and bank told that I have to pay interest and they will disperse the amount. So that time also I asked the money support from madam. She had given me that amount to me also. So she is really important in my life. She did a great job during that time. Next, I could say that during that period in economics, I got Shashi Bhushan sir. So he was a very good teacher, and he was a very student-friendly teacher. He used to give us support. He used to love us like anything else. And in economics, I have learned a lot of things from sir, though I have not been able to remember sometimes. But he is still there in my life, and I am really grateful. He is not a teacher. He was a elder brother for us, and he was a help to us. All the helpless students, he was a help for us. He has helped in a great extent to all of us. So Sasi sir was very good, and he has played a pivotal role in my life. Next, I would like to take the name Mr. Satyajit Mishra. So he was really a great in my life. So he has changed the lifestyle of my life, a way of life, talk, how to behave, how to dress up. So during that time, I was from the village, so I had no idea how to wear a dress, how to make style, or how to talk. So that I came in contact with him through my friend Kranti Krishna. So during that time, I used to take teaching in sociology, English. I started. Then later on, I started taking spoken English from sir. So it was a great journey from plus two second year to plus three third year. So it was 4 to 5 years I have taken constant guidance from sir. Sir has played a vital role. He is a doctor, psychological doctor, mental doctor, and philosopher guide, elder brother. He was everything for me. He is also everything right now, though we are not always. He is in Odisha, I am in Kolkata, but I could remember, and he remembers. He loves me a lot, and I am really grateful to him, because today I am able to speak English. This is the blessings of my sir, because I have been humiliated, I have been insulted by a lot of people, lot of teachers also during in plus 2 FM junior college. Basically I got English medium all the subjects. So during that time it was a challenge for me. So I was not able to understand. I used to cry. So due to the help of my friends, I got such a great teacher. So he motivated, guided me, and he helped me a lot. And I learned how to speak in English. Most of the times I spent a lot of time in Radiant spoken English. So there I used to learn a lot of things. We used to have discussions. We used to watch English news in library. I used to learn a lot of difficult words, translations, everything. And not only this English, but he has taught me how to speak, how to live the life. And he was great support for me. So today I am speaking English, and I am giving a lot of presentations. Sometimes I get opportunity to give presentations in different places. So that's the blessings of my sir Satyajit Mishra. How great he is, really he is in my bottom of my heart. And see how the beautiful role a teacher can play, and he played a outstanding role in my life. So I did, and I achieved what it's only for my sir. So there is, I think, some network problem is there. Yes, it's again it's back. So Satyajit sir, I cannot forget you, sir. So I give my heartfelt gratitude and affections and respect to you. Though it's not always possible to express face to face, so it's better to express in this platform. I am sure my voice will be reachable to you, and if something is coming from the bottom of the heart, it will definitely reach to the bottom of heart of another person. Its direct connection is there. So I am really happy for Satish sir. And during that time, Satish sir came, and Supriya madam and Vijay Lakshmi Patnaik. So I would like to tell first Vijay Lakshmi madam. So he was the professor and principal during that time. He was a reader in psychology and principal during that time. So in plus 2 what happened, I had education combinations with economics and other subjects, but I plus 3 I personally selected psychology instead of education, because I had a lot of psychological problems, emotional problems. So I thought that I should go through psychology, and I should understand what psychology is and where is my problem. So madam told that, Babu, why you are coming for psychology? You are education student, and we don't have faculty, and you have different new chapters in psychology, counseling psychology, sports psychology. We don't have the syllabus, we don't have the teacher. Why are you coming? But I told them, no, I like psychology. I want to know what is psychology and what is the connection of the psychology with the human being, and I need to improve not only knowledge but also improve myself. So madam used to love me a lot, like his son. So it was a sad news this year that sir was passed away. So sir, madam's husband, sir was also very lovable and very kind person. Even 2 months back I had a talk with him in telephone, but when I came to know in 5th September, 2 days back, that he is no more. So it was a very, it's a jolt from blow, it's a jolt for me. It was a complete shock for me. I was shocked that 2 months back I talked to sir and he was very good, very lovable, and Vijay Lakshmi madam is a very lovable. He loves and gives his affection to me as his son. So such a beautiful teacher. If this kind of teacher comes to life of any student, the life will be completely changed, and there will be a completely development in the life of a person. So I am lucky to get such kind of teacher. Next, Supriya madam, I should remember that madam was also in psychology department. Madam not only taught to us, but madam has encouraged me to do innovative things, and she used to listen where is my emotional problem, where is my problem, where is the difficulty. So we used to discuss. Most of the times I used to go to her home, and she used to listen constantly what is the problem. So still now she is in connection with me, and sir's Supriya madam's husband also, Deepak sir also very good. He has guided me in different crucial juncture of my life. So I cannot express everything, it will take time, but Supriya madam, Deepak sir, very good. And during that time, Swati madam came in my life, Priyanka madam, both have also played a crucial role in the psychology department. They have also guided me a lot, and there are also certain incidents. So I will rather try to express all those things in a different time. So this is the graduation part. Then I came for preparation for CAT, JET and MAT, and 1 year I spent. So during that time also, Satyajit sir was my guide, and I think he was my godfather during that time. So I have got lot of prize in debate competitions and other competitions, essay competitions, due to his blessings and his guidance. So it was graduations. Then I came to MBA. So in MBA I got lot of good teachers, and particularly I could give my tribute to Sasmita Mishra, Dr. Sasmita Mishra. Till now she has been my guide, motivator, torchbearer, and psychological doctor. She belongs to sociology, belongs to HR. She used to teach us HR, OB, but he is a great mentor for me. She has helped me, she has guided me, and till now she encouraged me. Whatever activity I am doing, she loves, she likes me that yes, Rajiv, you are doing good thing. Keep on, keep moving, and always. Though she doesn't have much time, or sometimes I have tried to call her. Even I think I have failed to connect her. So this time also I could not connect her due to network issue like that. So she is also in my heart, and I give my sincere respect to my sir, my madam. She is always with me. Such a dynamic teacher, it's rare in anybody's life. So I am also fortunate to have such a great teacher, and other teachers also there. So I could remember this set of people, those who are in constant touch with me. They have not only taught me the subject matter, they have taught me my lifestyle, they have taught me my emotional intelligence, they have encouraged me. Whatever step I have taken, they have encouraged me, they have loved me. That's great. That's unforgettable. So teachers' role in every student's life is unique. It's difficult to forget any teacher, and teachers are really parents. Next to parents, teachers are God for us. So they can change the complete geography, history of a life, and chemistry of a life. So I have what today, it's the blessing of my teachers, and even today I got constant support, constant guidance, constant inspiration from all of them, because they are still in touch with me, and whatever difficulty, whatever problems I face, I usually share with them, and they guide me, they motivate me. Yes, you can do that. Yes, Rajiv, you have the potential. You are a great. You do have the enthusiasm. You can do that. So that much of words, that much of affection, it gives a encourage to me, and I do march ahead, and I take lot of activity, lot of steps to do some good things. So that's the thing. So today I would like to wind up, friends. So I am very much proud and privileged to get all the teachers in my life, those who are still now, those who are also, and some other upcoming days also I will be getting. So I would like to give my heartfelt congratulations and gratitude to them, and there is no such word to express to the teachers. And yes, I would like to also remember Chandrabhanu sir in Quest, and during that time in Balasore there was institute Quest. So I used to teach there, and I have got also free coaching, and I improved classes top And sir, one line I could remember. He used to say, Rajiv brother, you can do that. Do work. You have the quality, you can do that. Rajiv brother. That Rajiv brother, that particular word actually inspires and motivates me. I'm really proud for that. So, and whatever live classes and other things I come, so sir is the first person to watch the program, and he used to, today also he has given the comment, nice one, happy teacher's day. Yes, it's the nice one, and you are also one great mentor of my life, sir. So even I would like to pardon, I may not have mentioned some of the teachers' name also, but teachers are the teachers. They cannot be described in half an hour or 1 hour. So a person who can build up the life of a person, it's not easy to share some words, some lines. So thanks for watching, friends, and I would like to give my gratitude, and I would like to express my love and affection to all my teachers. So happy belated Teachers Day. Thank you. Have a good day.